In as little as 28 weeks, you can carve yourself a new career path in welding with industry-respected training. Sheridan's welding certificate and diploma programs brings you experienced and connected instructors, state-of-the-art welding facilities, small class sizes, hands-on experience, and a solid reputation with local employers. You'll receive practical training in current welding techniques and theories preparing you for a career in welding. After you've earned your welding certificate or diploma, you can use the training to springboard into occupations in aerospace, pharmaceuticals, equipment fabrication, construction, robotics, or research and development. Get the skills and know-how to become a welder and forge a new career for yourself. Want an edge on your competition? Come to Sheridan. Find out more about Sheridan's welding techniques and welding fabrication technician programs at skilledtrades.sheridancollege.ca. Sheridan, get creative.